Hello Librans, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you and your person. So on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you are dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. And please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. So let's see what's on your side, Librans. Okay, so we have the Six of Cups on your side. Let's see what's there on your person's side. The Wheel of Fortune has flipped. Anyway, let's see. So what's there on your person's side, Librans? Oh, the Hangman. Just see the difference between the Wheel of Fortune and the Hangman. Let's see. What's the most likely outcome? Okay, the Knight of Pentacles. Okay. So here with the Six of Cups, you want a reconciliation, you want happy old times back. And here with the Hangman, this person is, I don't think, making any move. Okay, things are stuck on this person's side. And here with the Knight of Pentacles as the most likely outcome, we have that love is there, but still things are just not moving forward. Okay. So let's see what's behind the scenes. Let's see why is this Six of Cups here for. Okay, we have the Lovers, the Knight of Pentacles once again, the Five of Cups, the Eight of Pentacles, and the Justice. So, Ace of Cups, the World. Okay, I hope you can see them now. Okay, so let's see why is this Hangman here for. What's behind the scenes for the Hangman? Oh, the King of Pentacles, the Magician, the Two of Wands, the Knight of Swords, Seven of Pentacles, Judgment. Okay, let's see what's there behind the scenes for this Knight of Pentacles as the most likely outcome. Okay, we have the Four of Swords, the Fool, the Eight of Cups, the Emperor, the Six of Swords, again the Six of Cups. Okay. So Librans, for Six of Cups, you really want a reconciliation because with the Lovers card over here, you feel the passion, you are very, very passionate about this person, you have that bond, you feel that chemistry with this person, and you view them as your soulmate. With the Knight of Pentacles, what I feel here is that I think you are ready to make a move towards that person. That's what I feel. Since you've realized the passion, you are ready to walk towards that person, make a move towards that person, because there has been something here which has obviously, since there is a Six of Cups, definitely that means that and the Hangman is over here, So basically you are not in the same mode as you were before perhaps, which makes you very upset with the Five of Cups. You are not liking this fact that things are not okay now. And here with the Eight of Pentacles, you are now ready to work on this relationship. With the Justice card over here, following it is the Ace of Cups and the World card. And while I was keeping the deck, the last card was the Ace of Pentacles, which I didn't include. Okay, so with the Justice, the Ace of Cups and the World, so definitely you are now in the mode of taking the decision. You want to balance the situation, you are ready to take the decision. With the Ace of Cups and the World, you are ready to open up, you want to offer your love to them. And with the World, what I feel is you are ready to step up now with the Justice, the Ace of Cups and the World. So definitely here you are trying to balance the situation. At least that is what you want to do. You want to offer them your love, you want to open your heart to them, you want to offer your emotions to them. Excuse me. And with the World card, you want to end the cycle, whatever has happened till now, because it's a reconciliation card. So definitely you want to I should say, close the chapter of whatever the issues were between both of you, and you want to step into the new beginning. So basically here with the Eight of Pentacles, you are ready to work on this relationship. With the Knight of Pentacles, you are ready to make a move because you are not liking whatever has happened. And with the Lovers over here, everything is because now you have realized that you are not happy without them. Okay, since you have realized that you are not happy without them, now you are able to take a decision. Now you have realized you are not happy without them. Now you have realized that you really love them, you have the chemistry for them, you feel that they are your soulmates. So now you are ready to open up, you are now balanced, you've taken a decision, and you are now ready to work on it, and you are ready to offer your love and step into the new beginning with them. That is what is on your side. On your person's side, we have the Hangman. So this person is definitely not making a move. Situation is stuck from this side, and this person is not doing anything. When with the Six of Cups over here, reconciliation, basically you are not in a relationship as for now. Maybe you are talking to each other, but you are not into that full-on relationship as for now. Here we have the King of Pentacles, the Magician, the Two of Wands, the Knight of Swords, the Seven of Pentacles, and the Judgment. So what I feel here is with the Knight of Pentacles, King of Pentacles, sorry, this person has this person is pretty content in whatever the situation is. They are not ready to make a move. They have really worked on themselves. They are pretty cool with the situation basically. Okay, so they are in their own power. They are in their own what should I say, they are in their own sphere. Okay, they are with the Magician though, and with the Two of Wands, it's not that they are not waiting, they are waiting. It's not that they are not waiting for you, they are definitely waiting for you. With the Seven of Pentacles over here, they know that this is a deep-rooted connection, and with the Judgment, they are definitely wishing upon you, and they are manifesting it with the Magician. But yes, they are not taking any action. They are waiting, they are not taking any action. With the Magician, they want a new beginning. Definitely, they are manifesting it, perhaps. And with the Judgment and the Magician over here, definitely this person has deep roots, deep feelings for you. It's not that they are waiting for you, they are manifesting it in their own way. They are wishing it for it to come true. With the Hangman, maybe this is the approach where they are trying. Maybe this is what they think is right for them. Maybe they were sick and tired of investing initially. Maybe it can be the reason. Whatever it is, this person is not making a move, but yes, deep within they are manifesting it. So it can be one of their ways of manifesting, because maybe it's like once you are tired of trying and then you just stop it, but you have that feeling that okay, this may come true one day. It can be that also, or otherwise it can be this also, that maybe they think that I really can't do much about it, but if it has to happen, but they are really wishing on God. Or maybe they are thinking that maybe this will work. It can be anything, but what I feel mostly is that this person is within the heart of hearts wishing waiting for you. They are really wishing for this relationship to happen. They really want to manifest it. but the thing is they are not making a move. And here we have the Knight of Swords also. It was like this. So what I feel here is that somebody has left them over here. So what I feel here is maybe you left them at some point in time secretly without telling them, sort of, or your ways and ways were like that, or your nature was like that, that this you were always like coming in and going, sort of, and you kept this person waiting, because maybe with the Knight of Swords this is what you were doing, and that is why this person has stopped investing in this. Or maybe it can be that you are secretly meeting someone else, can be that also. Otherwise there was something which was happening secretly, either you were coming and going in their life, or you were not staying in their life. Maybe there was some sort of inconsistency over there, can be that. But for whatever the reason was, this person at the heart of their heart is waiting for you to be back, though they are not showing it, because perhaps they really don't feel that there is any point showing it or investing in it, because maybe at some point in time they did it and couldn't help, with the Knight of Swords over here. Okay, as a most likely outcome we have the Knight of Pentacles. So Knight of Pentacles, as I said, here also we have the love is there, but things were very slow and steady. Nothing was happening, things were not moving. For that we have the Four of Swords, the Fool, the Eight of Cups, the Empress, Six of Swords, and the Six of Cups. So what I feel here is, with the Four of Swords, the Eight of Cups, the Six of Swords, definitely somebody is healing. Maybe both of you are healing in your own way. Somebody is ready to move out of the negativity and come out of into the positive. Somebody is ready to leave the past behind and come in towards the emotional peace, emotional happiness and satisfaction. So lot of healing is going on over here, leaving the past baggage and moving into the future. Here with the Fool card, somebody is ready to take the leap of faith. With the Emperor, things getting back in control. Maybe again somebody over here is in a very powerful position, or in a very status wise good position, or maybe this is the nature of the person, is a leader. This person is a leader, and something of that sort, with the qualities of an emperor. Okay, so yes, somebody here is ready to take the leap of faith, and with the Six of Cups, somebody really wants a reunion. Okay, so let's see what is the guidance from the universe for Librans. Love makes the difference. Number 31 or number 4 may be of some significance for you. Love helps to heal past hurts and provides a sense of security and self-worth. So maybe this is what it is. Maybe the love of this relationship, when you realize that this person is your soulmate, it has helped you to heal the past hurt, and it has given you that sense of security, and it has helped you to leave the past behind and move, like to make a decision to move into the future, or trust this person or be with them. Okay, Librans, so it's a beautiful reading. I just hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.